Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you the just way to set time and date in this NAVIFORCE 9134 model watch. So if you also have got this watch and getting trouble in setting time and date, this video is for you. Let's get started. The very first step to set time is you have to come in timekeeping mode like me. If you are not, if you are in different function, press left side down button. This is stopwatch, this is alarm, this is another function. T2 is mentioned, means this is dual time mode. Press one more time. Now this is actual timekeeping mode. Once you come in actual timekeeping mode, you have to press right side down button once. As you see here, now the seconds have started blinking. To adjust this towards 0, press right side top button. So this is how you can adjust seconds. Now to adjust minute and hour, you have to press left side down button once. Now the hour have started blinking. Use right side top button to go ahead like me. Also see here, PM is mentioned. If you continuously press this right side top button, it even changes to AM now. Nothing is mentioned, it means this is AM. So this is how you can adjust hour. Now to adjust minute, again press left side down button. You can see here minute have started blinking. Use same right side top button to go ahead. So this is how you can adjust hour and minute. Now to adjust date, you have to press left side down button. You can see here month have started blinking. Use same right side top button to go ahead. January, February, March, April. This is how you can adjust. Now to adjust date, again press left side down button. 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is how you can adjust. Now to adjust this days of a week, as you see here, Friday is mentioned, Thursday is mentioned over here. To adjust this, again press left side down button. You can see here the Thursday have started blinking. Use right side top button to go ahead. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Now select your desired days of a week. After this, we will move towards changing our format. Again, press left side down button. You can see here HR is mentioned. This means our format. Currently, we are in 12-hour format. If you want to go towards 24-hour format, press right side top button once. This is 24-hour format. Press again, you will come back towards 12-hour format. Now, after adjusting these all to keep it fixed, simply press right side down button once at last. You can see here whatever the adjustment you have did, it's fixed over here. Now to adjust this analog time, simply pull out the crown outside. 6:39 is over here right now. So let's do from this side. 6, 30, 35, 39. Now once you adjust this analog time, press this inside. So this is how you can adjust time and date in this NAVIFORCE 9134 model watch. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end.